What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Prowler from the Spider-Verse. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we're going to start from the very top in the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now you leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So you want to start by lining up the top and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Along the inside of each eye, we're going to add a curl for the brow. We're going to come down and then bend that up and do the same thing on the right. And then in between the eyes in the center, add a fold, going up and then down. Now we want to add those trims around the eye. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to step down, we're going to bend this up around the eye, and out towards the side. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then bending that out. From here, draw a straight line, going up and out in an angle. And you want to create a point along the top. Hook this around and then down. Now from this point, we're just going to work our way around the eye. So we're going to taper this around, come down on the outside, and then in. And we'll go back to the inside, draw a short angle line going up and out. Bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Now I want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left side, we're going to step out, curve the head coming down, go across the chin, and then bend that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top half of the head. I want to bump this out. Go up and in towards the middle, go across, down, and then in. Let's wrap that thick collar around the neck. We're going to start over on the left side of the head. I want to bend this out and up, and then we'll bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's go to the right, going out and up towards the same height, and then back in. From this outside point, we're going to add a fold. Come down, and bend that in. Let's draw in the bottom. We're going to step out to create a fold, come down and across, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to add those points around the head. Let's start from the inside of the collar, bend this out, and then up towards the top, and do the same thing on the right. And then from here, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the side of the head. Now along the top and the center, we're going to add one more point. So start with a dot along the top middle, then it's out and down toward the left and right side. Now along the side, we're going to leave a gap underneath the collar, so start on the left. Step down, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right, do the same thing. Round at the bottom with a curve. Let's step up and draw that same curve for the top of the belt. And then leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's add that symbol inside the body. We're going to start from the side, go around and then in. Now from here we draw a circle, coming in, around, and then out. Curve this down and in towards the bottom. Connect the bottom with a curve going up the middle, and then back down. Now we're going to go back to the belt buckle, step down and add a curve, going up the middle and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the same height. Now from here, we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. And then on the left side, we're going to draw the top. We're going to go up. We want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now going back up to the hip, we're going to draw the outside of the leg, bend this out, and then down. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet, so we're going to draw that same curve along the top. And then just up above the foot, we're going to add the edge of the boot, coming down and then up. From the inside of the foot, draw a straight line going up and in. And then halfway along this line, draw a straight line coming in towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a toe cap from the outside, and it's in and then down. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start on the left side of the head, then it's out and across. Now I'm going to curve out the thumb. We're going to go up, then that down on the outside. And you want to create a point coming in and then down towards the palm. Let's add a small curve coming down and in across the palm. Now I'm going to add 3 claws on the outside. Start from the outside of the thumb, then it's up and then down, and then bend that back in towards the hand. Let's add the second claw, going out and then down, and bend that back in. And we'll do that one more time, coming down and in, and back up towards the hand. Now we connect the bottom of the hand to the top of the wrist with a curve, coming across and then up towards the top. And then from the palm, bend the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's go halfway along the top of the arm, curve in and then back out. Step out and draw that again. Let's go back and separate the tip of each finger with a curve, starting with the thumb, coming down and up. I'm just going to bend these in towards the hand. Now let's separate the forearm with 2 lines coming straight in. Along the inside of each section, we're going to draw a small square from this line, going out and back in, and then we'll repeat that on the right side. And now we're going to layer the cape in behind the body. Let's start underneath the forearm. I'm going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom on both sides. Let's add a point. Curve this up and then in. Come down and in towards the side of the leg. I'm going to add one more point in the center. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Prowler from the Spider-Verse. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.